Hello everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Adam channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Adam. Hello, Sarah. How are you today?
Hi Adam, I'm doing great, thank you. The sun is shining, so I'm feeling really happy. How about you?
I'm wonderful too. It's such a beautiful day. Perfect for talking about English.
Absolutely. And today, we have a super important topic for all our amazing listeners.
That's right. We're going to talk about daily conversations you must know, the short, simple phrases you use every day.
Exactly. The words and expressions that help you greet people, buy things, or just live your daily life in English.
Very useful for beginners and great practice for everyone. Before we start, a quick reminder, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Mr. Adam channel.
Yes, your support really helps us a lot. And don't forget to leave a comment. We love hearing from you.
All right, Adam, let's get started. What's the first thing people usually say when they meet someone?
That's a great question, Sarah. Let's find out together.
Morning, Sarah. You're here early today.
Morning, Adam. Yeah, I couldn't sleep much last night, so I came in early to get a head start.
Couldn't sleep. Everything all right?
Oh, yeah, just one of those nights. My mind was full of thoughts, planning the week, thinking about my family, even about what to cook for dinner.
Sounds familiar. I do that sometimes too, especially on Sunday nights. My brain refuses to turn off.
Exactly. You lie there staring at the ceiling, telling yourself to stop thinking, but your brain just keeps running marathons.
Coffee helps fix that, though. Speaking of which, want one? I just made a fresh pot.
Yes, please. You make the best coffee in the office.
That's because I actually measure everything. 2 spoons of coffee, 1.5 cups of water. Perfect balance.
You're so precise. I just throw it all together and hope for the best.
That's how disasters happen. Remember that time the coffee tasted like burnt toast?
That was me. I was experimenting with strong flavor.
It nearly killed everyone here.
Hey, at least I tried. Anyway, what's your week looking like? Busy?
Yeah, kind of. I have a few meetings today and a presentation tomorrow. Then I'm supposed to meet a client on Wednesday.
Oh, that sounds like a full plate. Are you nervous about the presentation?
Not really. I've done it before, but I still get that little bit of pressure, you know?
Yeah, that's normal. I actually like that feeling. It keeps you focused.
True. What about you? Any exciting plans this week?
Not really exciting, but I'm trying something new. I joined a morning yoga class near my apartment.
Wow, yoga. That's cool. How's it going so far?
Surprisingly good. It's at 6 a.m., so waking up is tough, but it makes my day feel longer in a good way.
6 a.m. That's dedication. I'm still half asleep at that time.
Yeah, but it's peaceful. The city is quiet, the air feels fresh, and everyone in the class is so calm. It's like pressing a reset button for the day.
I might need that. My mornings are chaos. Coffee, emails, and traffic.
Maybe try meditation for 5 minutes before your coffee.
I can barely meditate on what shirt to wear in the morning.
Okay, fair enough. But seriously, a few minutes of calm can do wonders.
You might be right. I've been feeling a bit restless lately.
Maybe it's the season. November always feels heavy to me. Busy but quiet at the same time.
I know what you mean. The year's almost over and you start thinking about everything you did or didn't do.
Exactly. But I guess it's also a good time to slow down a little.
True. Maybe I'll take a weekend trip somewhere. Just disappear for 2 days.
That sounds amazing. Where would you go?
Maybe the mountains? I haven't seen a proper sunrise in months.
Oh, that sounds perfect. Bring me a picture when you go.
Deal.
And maybe a souvenir coffee mug?
Yes, please. I collect those. My kitchen cabinet is full of them.
Really? From where?
Everywhere I've traveled. Singapore, Tokyo, Paris, even some local towns. Each one reminds me of a moment.
That's actually nice. I wish I had something like that. A small memory collection.
You can start anytime, Adam. Maybe begin with that mountain trip.
Maybe I will. Thanks, Sarah. You always inspire me somehow.
That's what friends are for. So, do you feel more awake now?
With this coffee? Definitely. It's like fuel for the soul.
Good. Then let's survive this Monday together.
Monday team, let's go.
Hey, Adam. You look tired. Long day?
You have no idea. 3 meetings back to back. My brain's basically soup right now.
That bad, huh?
Yeah. If meetings burned calories, I'd be in perfect shape.
Oh, I'd be a fitness model by now.
I swear, people could replace treadmills with conference calls.
You just need coffee. Want me to grab you another one?
No, please. I've had enough caffeine to power a small city.
Okay. Then water it is. You look like you haven't blinked in hours.
I probably haven't. Every time I close my eyes, I see spreadsheets.
Oh no, that's when you know it's serious.
Yeah, I need a vacation. Or maybe just a nap that lasts 3 days.
A nap sounds easier to plan. Where would you go if you could just disappear right now?
Somewhere quiet. Maybe a cabin by the lake. No internet, no emails, just books, nature, and silence.
That actually sounds perfect. I'd probably join you if I could.
Really? You'd last without Wi-Fi?
Good point. I'd probably bring my phone. Just for photos, though.
Right. Just for photos until you start scrolling through cat videos at midnight.
Hey, don't expose me like that. But yes, probably.
Speaking of photos, remember last month's office trip?
Oh, yes. You took that amazing picture of the river. It looked like a painting.
Thanks. That was pure luck. I almost dropped my phone into the water trying to take it.
You always risk your life for the perfect shot.
Yeah, I'm basically an unpaid travel photographer at this point.
Maybe you should start a blog. The Clumsy Traveler.
That's actually a great title.
You could post all your photos there. I'd totally read it.
Maybe I'll do it someday. Add it to the things I'll start next year list.
That list just keeps getting longer, huh?
Always. I think I add more dreams than I check off.
Don't we all? But that's okay. It means you still have hope.
You're right. It's nice having something to look forward to.
Exactly. Life would be boring if we had it all figured out already.
True. I guess sometimes I just feel like I'm running on autopilot, you know?
Yeah. You wake up, go to work, come home, repeat.
Same faces, same deadlines, same traffic.
And yet, we find small things that make it all worth it.
Like coffee breaks with you.
Or long talks about nothing.
Exactly. Talking nonsense keeps us sane.
You know what? You should really take that lake trip. It'll clear your head.
I think I will. Maybe this weekend. Just me, my camera, and the sound of water.
That sounds peaceful. Take a good book, too.
Any recommendations?
The Midnight Library. It's about choices and second chances. You'd love it.
I've heard of it. I'll add it to my list.
You have a lot of lists, Adam.
I know. One for goals, one for groceries, and one for things I'll probably never do.
I bet the never do list is the longest.
Unfortunately, yes. but maybe I'll start crossing things off my list.
Good. Start with that trip.
And maybe I'll bring you that souvenir mug you wanted.
Really? Don't tease me. I take mugs seriously.
I know. You probably name them too.
Maybe. Okay, yes, I do. Each mug has a story.
You're unbelievable.
No, I'm sentimental. There's a difference.
Fair enough.
So, what's next for you after work?
Honestly, probably microwave dinner and Netflix. You?
Same, minus the microwave. I'm trying to cook more lately.
Still on that curry streak?
Yup, this time it's green curry. Spicy, healthy, and edible, hopefully.
Hey, progress. Remember the time you nearly set off the fire alarm?
That was one time. I was multitasking.
Sure. Multitasking or experimenting with chaos?
Maybe both. But I've improved. Thank you very much.
I believe you. You'll have to prove it someday, though.
I will. Lunch next week. I'll cook.
I'll hold you to that. But only if I can bring dessert.
Deal. What are you making?
My famous chocolate brownies. Secret recipe.
Perfect. Curry and brownies. That's our friendship combo.
A strange but beautiful mix.
You know, Adam, I really enjoy these talks.
Me too. They make the day feel lighter.
Sometimes you don't realize how much you need a simple conversation until you have one.
True. People underestimate how powerful small talk can be.
Yeah, even just someone saying, "Hey, how's your day?" can change your mood.
Exactly. And you're good at that, Sarah. You always make people smile.
Thanks, Adam. That means a lot.
I mean it. You make this place feel more human.
Maybe that's my superpower, spreading calm energy.
Then I guess mine is sarcasm and caffeine.
The perfect balance.
By the way, I liked how you handled the meeting earlier. You were confident and clear.
Thanks. I was nervous, but I just pretended to know what I was doing.
That's the trick. We all pretend. Some of us just do it more smoothly.
So basically, fake it till you make it?
Pretty much. Works every time.
You know, I think you'd make a great mentor.
Me? Nah. I still feel like I'm figuring everything out.
That's exactly why you'd be good at it. You're honest about it. That's exactly why you'd be good at it. You're honest about it.
You always see the good in people, don't you?
I try to. It makes life softer somehow.
You're right. We need more of that. Softness. The world's too loud lately.
Yeah. Everyone's rushing, shouting, trying to prove something. Sometimes silence says more.
Well said, philosopher Sarah.
I'll take that title. Philosopher with a yoga mat.
Speaking of yoga, did you make it to class this morning?
I did. I nearly fell asleep during meditation, though.
That's a sign it worked.
Or that I need to sleep more at night.
Probably both.
Look at the clock. It's already 6:30.
Wow, the day flew by.
I guess time moves faster when you talk about random things with good company.
I'll take that as a compliment.
You should.
You walking home again?
Yeah, I like walking in the evening. The air feels softer somehow.
That sounds nice. Be careful, though. It's getting dark earlier now.
Don't worry, I'm careful. I'll text you when I get home.
Please do.
You sound like my brother.
Just looking out for my favorite coworker.
Favorite, huh? I'll remember that.
You better.
All right then, I'm heading out. Don't stay too late.
I'll try. Got a few emails left, but I'll survive.
All right, warrior. See you tomorrow.
See you, Sarah. Have a peaceful evening.
You too, Adam. Don't forget to breathe.
I'll try. Night, Sarah.
Night. Thank you so much for joining today's lesson, and it was great to see you. Stay healthy and keep practicing.
If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next English lessons. Your support means a lot to us and helps us to be more motivated to create more interesting and useful content, helping you speak English naturally and confidently every day. Thank you again, and see you in the next video.
We will be back soon with another interesting episode. Bye!